Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Veronica in here with us this afternoon. And Veronica and her husband drove, 8 hours? Over here from Odessa, Texas, which is out in West Texas. That's the whole country, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So, Veronica has had lower back pain and right-sided sciatica for a number of years now. She's also had some neck pain and pain out to her left shoulder blade and headaches, and some numbness and tingling occasionally in her middle fingers. That's specifically C7 nerve. I can map it out. That's C6. You thumb in your index finger there. C6, that's how you learn them. We didn't learn that C7. This is C8 right here. But we're going to focus on her C7 nerve. And she did, and her palpatory exam showed she had lower cervical subluxations at C6, C7, which is where the C7 nerve comes out of. So, I've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation, but I'll show you a couple highlights. Let's go ahead and land you. Tell me here for me. Face in there and hands up here. And you guys have been watching this on YouTube for how long now?
My husband's been watching you for a while. He seems to think what every nerve is.
Well, that's good. That means I'm educating some. I bet you won't forget which one's C7 now, will you? That's tender right there, isn't it? And right there too. She's got bilateral SI joint pain, and L5 and L4, all these are sore, all the way up here into the lower thoracic even. You feel that right there really tight? I'm going to have you lock your right leg straight, lift that right leg off the table. Okay, now see that one's tougher for her. Did the left one now? The right one was more difficult, wasn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so she does have bilateral SI joint pain. She does have a right sacral deviation in her sacrum, and then the lumbosacral spine is subluxated, L5, L4, L3. And I'm going to adjust the thoracolumbar over here on this knee chest table. In fact, we're going to do that first. Let's come over this way. You have a lot of stress right here a lot, don't you?
Yes.
Yep. So we're going to have you on your knees here. Face up in here, please. Okay, just let your spine kind of relax with gravity there and sink. Let it sink all the way down in there. There you go. Just like that. Good job. That was a deep one, wasn't it? Okay, now we'll go back on your tummy here for me, please. There we go. Oh, that went great. That's my favorite adjustment to have done on me. Legs are more even now. I bet you already that this feels a little looser than that first one did already. Does it still feel as tight to you?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to get your right sacrum now. There. Come straight down on L5. Now some of these will be a little sore at first, Veronica. There. And yes, I am saying Veronica with a B, because that's how her name's pronounced and spelled. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, ma'am. Crack Egg's gonna love you. There we go. Good job. Okay, tell me how this one feels coming up this time versus the last couple.
Good.
No pain?
No.
No tightness?
No.
Okay. You're going to feel your head popping up a little bit from this one. Perfect. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, Veronica.
You got all my makeup in here.
Yeah, that's why there's a piece of paper down there. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I've been seeing those pink shirts a lot more lately. Is that a clothing line or something?
Yes.
Let's slide down this way. I didn't know if that was a woman's lib thing or. Okay, let's put your arm like that, straight out to the sides, both of them. Okay, and adjust your shoulders, your clavicles, and your anterior ribs right here. That's where I was asking if you felt some popping occasionally right there too. There, okay, you can relax your hands on your tummy. Let me have this leg, just breathe normal. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back. There we go, super. Okay, let's sit you up and face that way now. You got a little bit of grinding going on this right shoulder. Look at that, see there? Not as bad on the left one. Even kids are looking at me like they're hurting me. No, just relax. I want to get your elbow. There you go. Okay. Put that tissue there. Okay. Let this go. Don't tighten up. There you go. See? Okay. Now for the big one. Come over here and lay on your back. Put your butt right here. Head up this way, please. There we go. Slide down underneath here a little bit. There we go. Okay. Your teeth together on this one. And just breathe through your nose. Relax your hands there. Just like that. I know you felt that one all the way down, didn't you? Yep. That's why we call it ring dinger. It's like that fair thing, you know, where you hit the thing, goes up and rings the bell. We get them all. Okay, relax this for me. Let me have you. Tilt left a little. There you go. Still got another one. Looky there. Perfect. Your bell has been rung, Veronica. A little different person, isn't it? Felt that all the way down though, huh? I bet they felt that all the way down your sacrum. Okay. Let's stand right here in front of the mirror for me again. And I'm going to have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards again. That's already better range of motion. Look at your posture right now. But you still need to pull these guys up and back. Flare these here. Now see, your head's forward. That's her biggest issue. So we're going to bring that straight back this way. First, spread your feet a little further apart so I'll knock you over. Straight back. Now look at the wall behind you. You're going to feel a little tap right there. And another little tap right there. Okay, relax. Okay, now try that same thing again. Tell me what you feel different this time. What was different about that motion?
It pulls my head back. I don't know. It's easier to.
Is it smoother?
Yes.
Okay, that's what we're looking for right there. Was it easier to go backwards for you that time?
Yes, it's a big difference in feeling.
So all of our YouTube subscribers want to know what the very first time of getting the ring dinger feels like. What would you tell them?
I have no.
T7?
I don't know. It's something I've never experienced
Right.
before, but it feels so bad, but then it feels so.
It hurts so good, right?
Yeah.
Good. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.